How to set a custom ringtone on WhatsApp. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily set a custom ringtone on WhatsApp. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So if you want to set a different ringtone on WhatsApp so that you could differentiate between your normal calls and WhatsApp calls, then you've come to the right place. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your settings menu and then head over to your app management or app settings and open it up. Once you land on your app settings, you're just going to have to search for WhatsApp here, which I'm going to do right now. And once your WhatsApp is open, go ahead and tap on notifications first. Make sure you've allowed all of the notifications and then click on notification categories. Now from here, you'll have different options like allow group notification, manage notification. So one category right here is deleted. So what you're going to do is configure this on WhatsApp. Now click on notification tone. And from here, you can choose your default notification tone right here. Scroll down a bit and here you'll find your call settings. So tap on call ringtone. This is my default ringtone for now. So as you guys can see, this one right here is my default ringtone. But if you want to change it, you could choose any one from here. So just tap on the one that you want to set it as, and then you should be good to go. So that's how you change the ringtone on WhatsApp. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.